So in today's lesson we want to learn how to add directed numbers, things like this, negative 2 added to positive 6, positive 10 added to negative 5, and so on. Good idea when you're doing addition to think of add as and. This really means negative 2 and negative 6. So here's a little way. I don't know whether you've shown this way before, but it works like this. What you can do is think of plus 1 as a tick. Think of negative 1 as a cross. And the other little idea to remember is that a tick is going to cancel out a cross, or a positive is going to cancel out a negative. So if I want to do this problem over here, sometimes it's in brackets like this, positive 4 and negative 3, positive 4 and negative 3. What have we got here? We've got 4 ticks. And we've got 3 crosses. Now, I didn't reveal it, but tick balances across. So this balances this balances this balances this, and then if you think about it, what do you got left? 1 tick, in other words, positive 1 is the answer. So the answer is positive 1. Somewhere here is the answer. There we go. So let's try another one. Negative 4, okay, so now I have 4 crosses. And positive 3, and negative 3, therefore we want 3 more crosses. So it's clear now there's no balancing out, is there? So what do we have altogether? We have 4 crosses and 3 crosses is 7 crosses, and that is, in other words, that is negative 7 is the answer. Get the idea? Eventually though you've got to be able to do it without the ticks and the crosses. You've got to be able to think about it. So this is 5 add negative 3. 5 ticks, 3 crosses. There's an excess of ticks. How many excess? 2. So the answer is going to be positive 2. This one. 3 crosses, 1 tick. Is an excess of 2 crosses or 2 negatives, so it is negative 2. 6 crosses, 10 positive, it equals positive 4, correct, because there's an excess of positives by how much? So let's not talk about crosses and ticks anymore. Negative 5 and negative 3 altogether is 8 negatives, isn't it? Negative 8. Negative 5 plus 5, 0. Correct. Do we get the idea? Yes. Good.